Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, August the 10th, 2024. And we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. We have a 2-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, and besides, I've already solved one puzzle this afternoon. Alright. This one will be number 9065. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. Yeah, 1 star puzzles has always 27 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, yeah, 24. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, I don't think this one I need 30 minutes or more. Need to be 27, a 1 star puzzle, faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 1 star or a 4 stars puzzle? Well, we don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the last, third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the last column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 in the first column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright, and now. How about the number 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. Need a 2 here. I need 2 there. I need a 9 here. Let me think. Need a 6 there. Need a 4 here. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Need a 7 here. Well, now I'm stuck. 9. Need a 9 there. 9. 6. Yeah, 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair. 4 and a 6 in this column. 4 and a 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4, a should be there. And then 4, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 supposed to be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 2, 3, and then 9. Need a 9 here. 2, 3. Let me think. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about the... Yeah. Let me see. 3, need a 3 there, need a 3 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2, okay. Then I need a 6 here. 6. Need a 7. I need a 8. Alright. How about? Need a 7 here. Yeah, I need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third box, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And we have a pair here. 7 in this column. Third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for 7 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. Well. Alright, 1 box left now in this column. Here we have 2, 3, 9. That means 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 9, 2, 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and then 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright, need a 6 here. How about 2, 2, need a 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this second column for the number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright. Then, let me see. 7 there. How about 4 and 3? Let me think. The 2 there. I need 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. Alright. Then. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place level 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 there. Okay, so now 8 and 6. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Well, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left, 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 3 in the last column, the 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. One box left in this column. I believe the 7, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Cannot be a 4, not a 3, not a 2 stars with 27 printed digits. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.